cute. You guys driving the tractor? Look at that horsey. Because their hair braided. There's the cows. She's getting a drink. Here's the biggest pig. He's 1,162 pounds. Big Chief. What is that? See the piggies? No, he's sleeping.
If they trick me one more time, I'm gonna get eyes. He doesn't have any eyes.
Yeah, he does.
I'm gonna get a real spider and then trick them, and the spider's gonna go on their head.
You scared him. They have clothes on. Right here, they're making slime. Hi. Look, they got the shaving cream.
They got everything.
They got all the ingredients. So cool.
Yeah, so cool.
Let's go. Here, they touch it.
Drew, go get Dana.
Is it okay they touch it? These giant pumpkins. This one's 393 pounds. Where's the first place one? Ooh. Drew, look at these giant pumpkins. Oh, do-over. What a cool playground they have at the fair. Are you in line, Jess? Where's Drew? Here he comes. He's gonna have another shot at the monkey bars. Okay, Drew. Go, Drew. Go, Drew. Go, Drew. Keep going. One more. Yay! Awesome. Everyone's got their corn dogs. Let me see. Our first corn dog of the fair.
Well, I had some. We're doing a video.
Ooh, what'd you get on your corn dog? Ketchup? You guys want something on yours?
No.
Nope, just plain. Jada's is mustard and ketchup. That looks like a mess. A yummy mess. Drew, color this boy right here.
Honestly, I think about that like every now.
I'm not being your boy.
Now you'll be he just wants to make it awkward.
Good job, Jayla.
9:50.
I'm not your boyfriend. I'm not your boyfriend. I'm not your boyfriend. I'm calling that you guys.
We're going to the country school at the state fair. This is what the schoolhouse used to look like. Ooh, look at these old desks. You guys at class? Jesse, Drew. Hi, Jayla. Drew. Jada's here. She's going back to preschool. This is what you have to do when you're bad. You go sit in the corner. Can you get up and put that hat on? The corner right there. Get up there. Drew's in trouble. Let me see, Drew. Let me see the dunce hat. Turn. Pump it, Drew. Okay.
I can't see because they're glares from that window.
Jayla's in the phone booth.
Step up to the window so I can see your face.
Old cabin. Yeah.
That's how it looked, Drew. That's how you used to do the telephone.
Yep, that's how the telephone used to work in the 1920s. Yeah?
When was it we were born? 1912.
Yeah, check it out. Ooh. She's kind of freaky. She's kind of creepy.
Okay, the bed. Look. Look at that beautiful bed.
That's where she slept.
Here's all the old telephones.
We're just trying to look at them. Let's see if it, don't pick it up yet, Jill. Let's see if it works. Hello? I can hear you. Alright, hang up and do it for the twins. Okay, hold on, Jesse. Don't touch it till it rings.
Hello?